Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is JanSport Fanny Pack. For a classic and versatile fanny pack, look no further than the JanSport 5th Avenue Fanny Pack. While it is available in 4 colors, this is a simple and lightweight option for those who want to take their bag on a hike, to a festival, or anywhere in between. Because the empty bag weighs less than half a pound, you can feel confident filling it with snacks, bandages, and whatever else you'll need for an all-day adventure. JanSport fanny packs are made of durable fabric, zippers, and straps, and come in a variety of colors and designs to match your personal style. We guarantee our packs for life, so take your JanSport on your adventures knowing that we'll repair any breaks. JanSport is all about discovering fun, freedom, and adventure. JanSport gear inspires your journey, from your first school backpack and lunch bag to the messenger bag for your first interview, from running errands to chasing dreams. There's a reason why JanSport fanny packs, pouches, and bags are so popular. With colors and styles that reflect your personality, as well as space for tablets, phones, wallets, and other items, your JanSport transitions from school to play as quickly as you do. Our second best fanny pack is Maxtop Crossbody Fanny Pack. The material is water resistant, making it an excellent choice for hot days. Best gifts for women mom, enjoy various activities and festival hands-free. Easily hold the most needed items with our large fanny pack, include most size phones, passport, keys, ID, standard water bottle and other items. Perfect for various activities such as shopping, traveling, walking, cycling, hiking, party, festival and so on. Depending on what you need to carry, you can get this bag in both large and super large sizes. The strap can be adjusted to lengths ranging from 28 to 56 inches. A great Thanksgiving and Christmas gift for women, men, children and family. Changeable style fashion fanny pack with classic and simple design. Many ways to wear. There are many ways to wear this fanny pack. You can wear it in front of your waist, back on your hip, slant across your chest or over your shoulder. Perfect for various occasions. An ideal gift for mothers and female friends. Creative key fob hook and theft-proof back pocket. By carrying your keys in the key fob hook and carrying your phone in the inner pocket, save your phone from scratches. And theft-proof hidden zippered pocket, on the back side is great for you to keep your valuables away from the thieves. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is Waterfly Fanny Pack. If you're dreaming of a fanny pack that takes up essentially zero space, try this style from Waterfly. The belt bag has 2 smaller front pockets and a hidden back pocket to store smaller items like keys, money, or lip balm, in addition to an interior compartment that can fit a phone. The waistband is also adjustable from 24 to 50 inches, allowing you to customize it for a comfortable fit. This waist pack is constructed of high-quality materials. The nylon material and canvas webbing belt make this waist pack more durable and comfortable to wear. This slim waist pack is breathable and allows air to circulate between your waist or back in the pack. A hidden pocket is intended for storing cash, passports, credit cards, and other valuables. The anti-theft waist purse is suitable for travel, walking, and shopping. This small waist pouch has a large capacity compartment and is suitable for all smartphones under 6.5 inches in size, including all iPhone and Samsung mobile phones. The mini bum bag is water and sweat resistant. You don't need to worry your stuff get wet anymore when you are outdoor or doing exercise in the gym. Please note, do not immerse the hip bag into the water. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best fanny pack list is Carhartt Waist Fanny Pack. The Carhartt men's and women's waist pack with adjustable strap keeps essentials close at hand when out on the trail, sightseeing in the city, visiting an amusement park, or attending a festival or concert. Made from heavy-duty poly with Rain Defender durable water repellent, contents are protected when wet weather rolls in. A large zippered main compartment fits a phone, wallet, and some snacks, and features an interior zippered mesh pocket for credit cards, ID, and cash. The front zipper compartment is ideal for organizing small items, and has a key fob attachment. 2 exterior gear loops can be used to attach other necessities. The Carhartt men's and women's waist pack has a long adjustable webbing belt with a side release buckle, and can be worn around the waist, over the shoulder as a sling bag, or across the chest as a crossbody bag. Fanny pack measures 11.5 by 6 by 4.5 inches, weighs 0.7 pounds, and features YKK zippers and a Carhartt logo patch. Carhartt work bags, packs and gear are covered by a limited warranty against manufacturing defects in materials and workmanship for the normal life of the product. Our last pick is Zorfin Fanny Pack. Zorfin fashion belt bag for women made with adjustable belt, strong and reliable buckle, easily and quickly adjusts to whatever length you need. Fashion fanny pack allows for different wearing styles, can be used as a crossbody bags, hip bag, chest bag. Practical adjustable fanny pack for adults or kids are also a great way to hands-free when you are outdoor activities. This pack's for women and men with 5 zipper pockets for all your essentials and keeps separated and organized. Front pocket of waist bags for women can store your earphones or other small things. 2 main pockets of women's fanny pack roomy enough for your phone, wallet, sunglasses etc. 2 hidden zipper pockets perfect for your valuables for extra security. 6 card slots inside the main pocket easy to store and remove your ID card, credit card etc. No need to rummage. With water-resistant and durable material, lightweight fanny packs for women fashionable are made with premium waterproof nylon material. Easy to clean, durable and tear-resistant, feel smooth and delicate. The waterproof function of this fashion fanny pack for women can effectively protect the items in the pack from rain or sweat soaked. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!